Month-end close means checking every card transaction against the books. Without Lava, you export the month from Ramp, open QuickBooks, and compare line by line, looking for what does not match. Matching totals do not mean the month is clean. Missing receipts, wrong categories, and bank entries still hide in the list. We connected both to Lava and asked our agent to reconcile March. It pulled the month from Ramp, matched it against QuickBooks, and came back with a difference of 0. That 0 was not the useful part. Even with the numbers matching, it flagged what still needed a look. Transactions missing receipts, transactions booked to the wrong category, and manual entries that came from the bank rather than a card. Our receipt policy exempts small software and office purchases under $75, so those stayed quiet instead of filling the report with noise. That is the part a clean total hides. When the numbers tie out, you close the file. The exceptions are still there. With Ramp and QuickBooks connected to Lava, one prompt surfaces the exceptions. You review them and decide what to fix. Lava, the software you love with the AI you want.